Hey Fernando, quite a lot going on in the shop today.
Yeah, we're doing a couple of things. The black TTRS is getting a set of upgraded Driveshaft shop axles, so check that out.
Definitely, I'm gonna head back there now. What's your thoughts on the Driveshaft shop axles?
I mean, the biggest thing is the front axles. It's got a heavier duty shaft. The CVs are a different material. I mean, it looks pretty stout. We'll try them out. I mean, they look pretty good.
Now, from what I understand, I know the fronts are capable of holding about 1,000 horses in the rear, right around, I think, 11 or 1,200?
Yeah, the fronts are rated for like 1,200 horsepower. It doesn't push as much power to the back because it's a front wheel base car. So I'm not too worried about the rear ones. It's mainly the fronts that I'm concerned about. But it looks great. I mean, I don't think we're gonna have any issues.
We are sure that these axles are going to be able to handle the power we're about to throw at this car. So stay tuned for some more updates as far as the new JDY turbo kit that will be going on the car and future mods. Find out more about these axles as well as other Driveshaft shop products. Check out the website at ostarmotorsports.com.